Well, anyway, there's a beaver stick. We got beavers. Summers. Silver water fishing here. Oop. I'm back at this creek. I was here yesterday and this happened. You are not going to believe this because I don't freaking believe it. Oh, God. Whoa! Oh, easy. Oh, no. Oh. But I'm anything but not persistent. And I'm not going to let that discourage me because honestly it was really cool to almost catch the biggest trout I've ever caught. But today I'm back and I've got a fish hook spinner here. And I'm going to give it a go. I got an hour and a half before I got to go to work. Make the most of it. Y'all mean? And this thing should be really good for smallmouth as well. Pretty much anything else that's out there. And there's all manner of strange things out there. Like a beaver that I'm looking at. Silly beaver. Actually caught that trout up there in the currents. Like any good predator, he was waiting on the edge of the current, the rapids there, waiting for something to pass by, and I think I threw a white grub and it landed around his nose and that angered him, so he bit the hell out of it. And it was a perfect set, hook set, I'm telling you. But he was doing a death roll toward the bank. I was fiddling with the phone and trying to get him, and my 6-pound line got snagged on a little rock or something and snapped it. You know what? That's part of it. I don't let it discourage me. If I did, I wouldn't be back here. When in doubt, attack. Man, that was, oof. That was intense when it happened. I'm telling you. Oh, got a fish. Ooh, hello. This little feller. A little rainbow. Hi, little rainbow. Oh, look at that. Look at that. There it goes. Safe to say the fish hawk spinner works. I don't know if you ever seen a fish hawk or not, but he's a trout catching mofo. I think I need to go back over there underneath the bridge there. It rained yesterday. It was a little bit slick, but the creek is not up much from what it was. In my infinite wisdom, I've worn my work clothes. This lovely, slidey, muddy area. Totally worth it. Already it's totally worth it. Probably should have put a swivel in there because it's twisting a lot. Down just here. Oh! Look at the fish. Oh, wow, he's strong. Oh! Oh! Following down this current here. Oh, wow, he's strong. Oh, ooh. Look at that. Oh, man. Look at that smallie. Look at that smallie. That is amazing. Woof. That's what I'm talking about. Pliers out here. Gorgeous. Freaking gorgeous creature. Oh man, look at her. Look how fat. Man, she's plump, ready to spawn. Man, gorgeous. Thank you, sweetheart. Atta girl. Oh, another one. Golly. It's like a little rainbow. Atta girl. Come here. There we go. Look at that. Ah. Man, they're slippery. Somebody needs a net. There we go. I got you. All right. Shit. Man, she's slippery. It's been caught before. Look at that beautiful rainbow. Man, she's gorgeous. Beautiful. Nope. And she's gone. Uh-oh, that's not good. Trying to rescue the fish. Come here, baby. Come here. There you go. There you go. Okay. Whew. It's not my intention to kill anything here haphazardly or on purpose. But yeah, Daddy needs a net. If you didn't notice, for some reason my zoom was in, so I don't even know if I got those last couple fish without it looked like I was trying to give them some sort of microscopic exam, but I should have fixed it. I apologize. Yeah, this is the sweet spot right here. I have found it, and I claim it. For now, till I leave. Finding good fishing spots in northern Kentucky within a drive of me is not easy. Oh, that was all chippered. Let's move down the current. See what happens. Nothing. Down just a hair. If I just slow my roll, I'm trying to get better results. Ooh, ha-ha! As I was saying. Shaky, shaky, shaky! Ah! Look at that beauty. Isn't she nice? Yes, sir. Man, they're slippery. I haven't caught trout in so long, I forgot how slippery they are. Wow, almost hooked me. Ain't she gorgeous? Mm-hmm. I was trying to release her like that, but it didn't work. There we go. There you go, baby. Thank you. This is what you call a good day of fishing. I'm all gibbered. There we go. Woo, fish hawk spinner. About that time over there. Hey, what's up, girl? Look at that. Beautiful little trout. Beautiful. Been caught before. A lot of them been caught before, looks like. Oh, and there she goes. I'm jibbered. No, I'm not. This is spinny. I think my next cast, actually I'm going to retie this. And I'm back in business. Alright, let's make our move. Isn't this just gorgeous? Oh, yeah. Just beautiful. So what kind of fish are in it? Angry geese. Ew. That's not good. It'll straighten itself out. Oh! After some minor surgery, I got everything unjibbered. And that hunk of line that I just took off will be going back with me and put directly into the garbage, because I am not one to screw up a place I've been to. And if anything, I'd like to make it better than when I arrived. Microplastics will be the end of us. Those of you that leave your little worm cups laying around, and your fishing line, and your hooks, and your weights, and beer cans, man, clean up after yourself. You know what I'm saying? Be respectful, not only to the people coming after you, but to freaking nature, man. You wouldn't be out here if every freaking schmuck just decided to leave every freaking thing there. In that tree? Yeah. Don't be a pig. Clean up after your freaking self. Almost got a stick fish. Be the first one of the day. Alright, I've got precious little time before work. I need to freaking make another move. Cover some more water. Well, I need to head back. It's getting that time again for me to keep capitalism alive. Thank you for joining me, hanging out, watching me catch some trouty trout in a smallmouth. Hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. Hope you all have a great day. Was that so hard?